Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 129th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use list style image property. So we'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS. Now unordered list, list style, image, we'll give here image name that is picture.jpg. Now we'll add style tag, head tag and body tag. Now unordered list tag, listed tag. Now we'll add tag. Now we'll add body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 129 129 not but 130 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. 130. So this is our basic output of how to use list style image property. So here the output comes coffee, tea and ice cream. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. And please like, share and subscribe to the channel for the amazing HTML videos.